Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So for this we will need a cable, plug it into your computer and connect it to your phone. There we go. Now once that is ready, we will want to now power off our device, so select the power button, power off. And you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Now if you don't see anything happening on the screen in like next 5 seconds after holding it, you can let go and start holding it again. Once you see the Samsung with Galaxy below that, you can let go of the keys. And shortly after that, you will see your recovery mode. Now in this mode, you will need to use volume keys to navigate through the options. As you can see, volume up goes up and down goes down, and then power key will confirm whatever is selected. Now that being said, from here we can reboot the device, which takes us back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which literally does nothing. We can apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, power off the device, and repair apps. And like I mentioned, whatever you have selected, you confirm with power key. And because I want to leave this mode, I'm sticking with the first one, reboot system now, and this will now take me back to Android. And additionally, once you enter your recovery mode, you can immediately unplug it because the cable isn't needed anymore. So here we go. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.